everyone, welcome to FOC class 11 and 12. In this video, we will be learning how to download and install JDK and NetBeans. So in this video and for all the tutorials of Java, I will be using JDK 20 and NetBeans 19. What is the reason behind that? It is that these both are compatible with each other. Means जब भी आप NetBeans डाउनलोड करते हैं तो NetBeans के लेटेस्ट वर्जन के साथ जो JDK कंपैटिबल होता है, जो JDK उस NetBeans के वर्जन के साथ वर्क कर सकता है, आपको वही वर्जन डाउनलोड करना होता है. सो NetBeans 19 के साथ JDK 20 कंपैटिबल है. मीन्स JDK 20 एंड NetBeans 19 एक दूसरे के साथ प्रॉपरली वर्क कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई वी आर यूजिंग JDK 20 एंड NetBeans 19. अगर आप कोई और वर्जन डाउनलोड करते हैं NetBeans का, तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि उसके साथ कौन सा JDK वर्जन कंपैटिबल रहेगा एंड आपको वही वर्जन डाउनलोड करना है. जो डाउनलोड प्रोसेस है और जो बेसिक प्रोसेस है वो सेम रहेगा. आप ये वीडियो देख सकते हैं चाहे आप कोई भी वर्जन डाउनलोड करें, क्योंकि जो बेसिक स्टेप्स हैं वो सेम रहेंगे. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. Before proceeding ahead, I have an important announcement for all of you. The latest CBSE sample paper book is now available for purchase for Class 12 Information Technology IT Code 802. This sample paper book includes the sample paper as released by CBSE for this academic session 2023 to 24 and also the previous year question paper of CBSE board exam with its solutions. Also, solved and unsolved sample papers are also given for practice and mock test papers are also given with solutions. So, if you are class 12 student preparing for your board exams, so this sample paper book will be very helpful to you and you can purchase it from the links given in the description or comments. For downloading JDK 20, you will type JDK 20 download and then you will select this link. You will not select JDK 21 because we are downloading JDK 20. So you will be redirected to this page and here you have to select the appropriate option. As we are having Windows, so we will be clicking on Windows MSI installer link here, and when we click on it, so you can see the download process has started. So we have to wait while it download. Once the download is complete, you will go to download section and you can see this. It has been downloaded. You will double click on it. Then here in the box you will click on next. If you want to change the path you can, otherwise you will click on next. And then you can see the installation process has started. So here the installation is going on and once it is complete, you will click on close button. Then go to the location where you installed Java. Here I will click on Java, then JDK 20, bin, and I will select this location path and I will copy this. Then in the search bar, I will type env because I have to edit the environment variables. So for this, I will select this option, System Environment Variables, and after this, in this dialog box will open and I will click on Environment Variables. Then I will click on Path under the System Variables tab. Here I will click on Edit. Then I will click on New button and I will paste that path. Then I will click on OK button. Again here in the System Variables tab, I will click on New button and then in this dialog box, I will give the variable name as Java underscore home and in the variable value, I will paste that path. But yes, here you will not paste complete path, you will remove this bin. Then you have to click on OK. Then again OK. And finally, we have set the environment variables. For downloading NetBeans, you will type in the browser NetBeans download Then you will click on this link, Apache NetBeans releases. Then you will click on the download button available here, and after this you will be redirected to the download page. Here you will select the appropriate option for your system. As I am having Windows, so under the installers and packages column I will be selecting the first option, that is for Windows, and then I will be redirected to another page. Here it is written that we suggest the following location for your download. So I will click on this link and the download will start. So it will take a while to download, then we will proceed ahead. After the download is completed, you will go to the download section and you will double click on this. When you double click on it, the installation process will start. Here I want all these specs and runtimes to be installed, so I will proceed with them. If you want to customize, you can, otherwise proceed. Here click on the checkbox and click on next. The path is already set, again click on next, and here click on install button. So you can see the installation process has been started, and it will take approximately 1 minute. So we have to wait till then, and then it will be installed completely. After the installation process is completed, you will click on finish button, and then on the desktop you will see that the icon is available for opening Apache NetBeans IDE, and here Apache NetBeans IDE will open up. In this video we were learning about downloading and installing JDK and NetBeans. We have learned that how to create programs and applications in NetBeans IDE. We will be learning this in further videos. So we'll meet you soon in the next videos where we will be learning how to create Java programs in NetBeans IDE. If you want to purchase Class 12 IT Code 802 sample paper book, the links are given in the description. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.